Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing optional drivers and updates on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So basically, these are non-security quality updates that are not really security based, but are designed to improve the functionality of your Windows computer. So you may be asking, should you install optional drivers and updates? Generally, I would say yes. The hard drive space should not be a problem for most of you guys. I would really find it hard to believe if the space consumed by optional updates would be anything noticeable or worth, worrying about, frankly. So there's really no reason not to install optional updates. And with that said, let's go ahead and actually go ahead and update. So open up the search menu, type in update. Best match should say check for updates. You can go ahead and open that up. And on the right side, you want to select advanced options. On the right side, go down underneath additional options and select optional updates, feature quality and driver updates. Go ahead and click inside of here. And if there were any available updates to install this time, they'd be listed out here. And you would select the download and install button. There would be a download and install button that would appear right next to it. And you just follow along like you would any normal Windows update. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.